So this week has been a brutal week. I mean, to see how brutal this week has been in terms of losses on various assets in this portfolio, you can see here that Apple is down 12.5%, Amazon is down 7%, CrowdStrike is down 20%, Google is down 8, almost 9%. Palantir is down 7%. Rivian is down 9.5%, almost 10%. Tesla is down 7.5%. Unity Software is down 11, almost 12%. And if you look at the gains where we have the green arrows, you can see here that the gains are very small compared to the huge losses on the stocks in this portfolio. So that's how the stock market is at the moment. The fear of inflation, the fact that we're probably in a recession or entering into a recession, all that is bearing down on the stock market. But as an investor, you have to keep the right mindset. You have to stay positive and continue to dollar cost average into the market. This is not a time to lose your cool. This is not a time to be irrational. What you have to do is you see every fall in the stock price as an opportunity to acquire more of these assets. So that's what we should all be doing as level-headed investors at this time. As you can see here, the portfolio is down by almost $11,000. The total amount invested hasn't changed from last week, but the portfolio value has dropped significantly compared to last week. This month so far, this portfolio is down by 9.23%. Overall, year to date, the portfolio is down 39.07%. Average risk score is still 6, and the maximum risk score is 6. Here's a snapshot of the assets in this portfolio. Amazon is the largest loss-making position, and Rivian is still the largest profit-making position. As you can see, the total portfolio allocated hasn't changed. The loss on this portfolio has increased from 8,500 last week to 11,000. The equity has decreased from 28,000 last week to $25,500 this week. The loss on this portfolio has increased from 23% last week to 30% this week. Portfolio underperformed the S&P 500 by 6% in the previous week. And the total portfolio performance from the previous week shows that a further $2,500 has been lost. Here is the weekly performance graph. You can see here that almost 11,000 has been lost from this portfolio. This portfolio underperformed the S&P 500 in the last week by 6.03%. In the last month, this portfolio underperformed the S&P 500 by 12.92%. And year to date, this portfolio has outperformed the S&P by 13.45%. I hope you found this information useful. As an investor, continue to invest, keep your heads down, continue to dollar cost average into the markets. Forget all the noise that is going on around you, and I hope to see you again next week. Again, thank you for your support. Bye.